back to Kitchen by Alice, and today we're going to make frozen cakes. So first, we're going to add the batter. We look in the back and it needs water, oil, and 3 eggs. So let's open it up. Make the batter. Put the batter. It's strawberry. And now we're going to put the water in. Then the oil. And then the 3 eggs. And now we're going to mix it. I like the pink color. Now we're going to put it here. Now we're going to put an oil. It's ready now. I'm going to show it. Now I'm going to take the thingy out and we're going to put it here. And now I'm going to take this and put it all the way to here. Now we're going to put it in the oven. First I'm going to put it here. It's really hot. I'm going to put it in and we're going to wait for a lot of minutes of it. My strawberries with my cutting bowl. And then I'm going to cut them like this. It's kind of fun. Take it out. Okay, let's do the oven, and I took it out of the mold. Look how it looks. This is Anna, this is Elsa, and that's Olaf, and that's Ben. I put the cream inside in this thing, and now I'm gonna put it like this all around. So first I'm gonna start here. Yes. I like it. That, and now I'm gonna put the strawberries right here. I love it. I'm gonna put blueberries. I'm gonna put them where the strawberries are. We finished. Yummy. And look at my decorations. Give me a lot of likes and subscribe. Get all the like buttons. Bye bye. Now I'm going back to that frosting. Subscribe to my channel, Crafty Kitchen by Allison.